This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make chili fish using an easy method. First, let's get everything ready. You'll need about 1.5 pounds of your favorite firm white fish fillets, like cod or tilapia. Make sure to pat them dry. Also, chop 1 onion and 2 bell peppers, and have your chili paste or sauce measured out. This simple preparation ensures a smooth cooking process, so you can enjoy delicious chili fish quickly. Now, let's get that fish perfectly seared. Heat about 2 tablespoons of cooking oil in a large skillet over medium-high heat. Once hot, carefully place your fish fillets in the pan. Sear them for 3 to 4 minutes on each side until they are beautifully golden brown and slightly crispy. Don't worry about cooking them through completely yet, we'll finish them in the sauce. Remove the fish and set it aside. With the fish seared, it's time to build our flavorful chili sauce. In the same pan, add a little more oil if needed, then sauté your chopped onion and bell peppers until they are tender, which usually takes about 5 minutes. Next, stir in 3 to 4 tablespoons of your chili paste or sauce, letting it cook for about 1 minute to deepen its flavor. Finally, pour in 1 cup of fish broth and let it simmer gently for 5 minutes. Almost there. Now, carefully place your seared fish fillets back into the simmering chili sauce. Make sure they are partially submerged so they can absorb all those wonderful flavors. Let it cook for another 5 to 7 minutes, or until the fish is completely cooked through and flakes easily with a fork. Garnish with some fresh cilantro for a pop of color and flavor. Serve your easy chili fish immediately with rice or noodles. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.